kuhlonitshwa amajoni wenarha le. Baphelele ngejinifomu yawo amajoni. Abantu banikelwa ukudla kwamehlo. Amajoni ayadrela. Kubonakala nabonophehlwana bamajoni benza badume ngakho. Ibutho lamajoni liveza yonke iminyango yalo nemisebenzi yalo nalokho nakuthunyelwa amajoni enarhakazini yeAfrika. Akhuluma njengokhomanda omkhulu wamajoni. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa wabukile amajoni bona awenza ngobutharha umsebenzi wawo ngaphasi kobujamo obubudisi. Uveze indima yalinywa amajoni nakuphekhuka imiguruguru ukuzidapela ngovela bahlinze.
As a people, we are reassured that no matter the circumstances of our nation faces, the SANDF will always be there, ready, willing, and committed to serve the people of our country.
Umengameli uyazikhakhazisa ngebutho lamajoni eliragela phambili nomsebenzi omuhle wokurarulula imiraro ekhona yokubhalelwa ukunikelwa kwabantu izenzelwa.
The men and women of the South African National Defence Force has served this country with distinction. It is now 2 years since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. The South African National Defence Force was there assisting with the implementation as well as the maintenance of the national state of disaster.
Umengameli uyavuma bona amajoni aqalene neentshijilo eziningi nakufanele enze umsebenzi wawo ngefanelo. Uramaphosa uthi amajoni asebenza budisi kufanele asebenzise insetshenziswa anazo ezihlayelako ukwenza umsebenzi wawo.
I commend the leadership of our military and all members of our armed forces for fulfilling their responsibilities even as we grapple with funding challenges that affect various defense programs and development activities. We are looking within these constraints at ways to better resource our defense force with the tools they need to fulfill their mandate.
Ibutho lamajoni belibhalelwa ukwenza umnyanya omkhulu ngelanga namhlanje le-Armed Forces Day ngenzathu eziningi ezifana nokwehla kwengogwana i-COVID-19. Nanyana kubanjwe umnyanya lo nje namhlanje kodwa bekufanele kulandelwe imithetho ye-COVID-19.